Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Smokin' Steve's Hot Grill. Tonight we are back indoors, stormy weather outside, so we are not smoking anything tonight. But instead, we are doing swordfish steaks tonight. Been doing a lot of research on them and have never tried them before, so this is going to be a first time for you and I. So this is kind of what I've already got some oil going on. Turn on the fan on low. So a couple things that we're going to do is do our virgin olive oil again, and of course our ground pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, and some kosher salt. So first, what we want to do is coat both sides of the steak. So we're coating both sides of the steak. And you want to leave the skin on the swordfish. I heard a lot of the time the skin is like really good. Now, will I eat it or not? I don't know. Alright, so that is like that. And now we're going to do a little bit of kosher salt. Both sides. So whenever you do one side, you always do the other. Okay, from there, we're going to do ground pepper. Ground pepper, kind of just pat it in a little bit, make sure it gets where it needs to. Okay. Now we're going to do a little Old Bay. New container, so they always come out tough in the beginning. Okay, so one side's done. And there's the other side. All right. Now with swordfish, you want to go there. These are about an inch thick. So what we want to do is sear it and then cook it for about 4 minutes on either side. All right, there we go on that. You want to turn on about medium heat with these, and you'll start to see from the bottom up, it'll turn a whitish color. So I'm going to let these cook for about 4 minutes and I will be back with you. Alright, we are back. Now while this is cooking for the 4 minutes on each side, this is still the first side, we're going to go ahead and make a little sauce for the steaks. We want to do some butter in a pan. We're going to go a little bit of lemon juice. We'll squirt in here too, won't hurt anything. And then we're also going to do some garlic. Alright. So this going to melt. Maybe even a little bit of ground pepper. Alright, so our 4 minutes is up on our steaks. Let's see what we have. Oh, look at those. So that is 4 minutes on one side. So as the other 4 minutes is going on this side, we're going to go back to our sauce. Stir it up. Alright, we're going to let this go ahead and finish melting the butter and having the steaks finished for about another 3 minutes on this side, and we'll be back. Alright, so we are back with our 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and just kind of turn these over, see what they look like. These look absolutely amazing. So that's what you want. You want either side to have this white colored. That way you know your fish is all the way done. So we'll go ahead and take these off. We're going to plate them. And with the sauce that we had before, butter and garlic, we're going to drizzle right over them. And right there is our swordfish steaks. And we're going to go ahead and plate these up with dinner, and we'll be right back. Alright, welcome to the dinner table. Look at this meal. Look at this feast. I mean, this looks absolutely delicious. Like I said, this is the first time that I've had swordfish. Kind of knew the recipe where I wanted to go with this, so that's what I did. Now let's try it. Holy man, you can actually cut this just like, look at that, just like a steak. And it's white, it's not even flaky. It is literally like a piece of meat. So I'm gonna cut this one in half. All right, let's try it. That is really good. It tastes like there's no fish taste whatsoever with swordfish. I will tell you that right now. No fish taste. It actually really is a tender piece in between steak and chicken, but it's fish. It is actually really good. If you do this recipe and seasoning, you will absolutely love this. This is really good. Once again, I want to thank you for joining us tonight in the Swordfish Cook indoors because it's storming out there. Thank you again. Please like and subscribe. Give me your comments. What do you want me to smoke? What do you want me to cook inside? What do you want my fiance to bake? Let us know. Give us ideas, and we're going to do it. Once again, thank you. Like and subscribe. I'm doing this all for you. Thank you.